Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of American Airlines. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on American Airlines and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In this page you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you this step, then you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.